Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I am back at it and I'm going to share with you now my customized options for Winter 2025 FabFitFun's seasonal box. So if you want to check out all the items that I customize my box with, definitely keep watching. If you are new to this channel, you may not realize that I am a lover of FabFitFun. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box where you get full-size products. They focus on beauty, fashion, wellness, fitness, a really nice variety of products every season that really gets you excited for the season ahead. This is my favorite subscription service, my only subscription service, and I just want to get out there that this video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. None of these items are ever gifted to me. I purchased all of these items with my hard-earned money, so hopefully that way I can provide you a little bit of an unbiased opinion on these products. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun but want to check it out for yourself, definitely consider using my referral link in the description box down below because it will save you a little bit of money. FabFitFun also does a lot of different sales, including the add-on sales. So if you haven't checked out my add-ons video, I will link it above here and in the description box down below. So definitely check out what I have my eye on for the add-on sale as well. But for this video, let's just get straight on into this. I'm going to tell you all the items that I currently have customized my box with. Of course, a full disclaimer, this may change when I actually make my purchase because I will weed through these things. I will definitely incorporate a lot of the feedback you give me from this video and decide what I actually truly want to purchase once the sale is about to end. But for now, these are the items that I have my eye on. So I'm going to share with you the items that I picked. I also have extra customized products as well for an upcharge, which I will explain too. And I'll give you some thoughts on some of the other highlights from each selection as well. So I'm going to go ahead and move over here so I can put up the pictures of the items I talk about here on my side. And let's get into it. So customization choice 1. So this obviously is the higher end products, kind of the blockbuster products. So I thought this was pretty solid. In fact, I currently have, let's see, 2 items selected here from customization choice 1. And I'm probably going to stick with these because I do love them both. So first up here, there are a couple of colors in this Height Bubble Blanket. So as you can see, this is one that I selected. I selected it in cream. It's like one of those bubble blankets that I've seen a lot of places on social media. I love blankets, especially in the winter season, so I'm gonna pick this up for sure. I have not tried this brand, but I love how this one looks. It's super cozy. Some of my favorites are Barefoot Dreams. I also have many of the unhide blankets from FabFitFun, but this one, I haven't tried this brand. I'm excited to try it out, so I'm gonna pick this one up in cream. They also do have a Tula product, an hydration product here, which is nice. I've tried Tula before and I do really like that. There is a fragrance from Future Society, which I'm actually not familiar with, so I'm gonna pass on that, but fragrances are always pretty good values on FabFitFun. There is this baking dish, which is beautiful. Look at that color for the holidays. A really nice set of glasses. They are now partnering with Goop, which I think is a relatively new collaboration. So here's a Goop product here, a nutrient face oil, which looks nice too. They offer a luxe choice in this selection, and this one this time is from Fenty Beauty. It's a perfumed body cream and the Eau de Parfum. So I did select a luxe choice with the Fenty Parfum or Eau de Parfum several boxes ago. I do like it. Honestly though, it's a little too strong for me. The scent is a little too bold for my liking. I tend to like really fresh, slightly floral, maybe even slightly fruity scents, but this was a little bold for me. So I still have it. I will use it because I need to use it, but wasn't my favorite, to be totally honest. So I'm gonna pass on this, but honestly, this is a good value if you like this fragrance. There's a Dennis Gross lip treatment product. And then the next thing I selected, as you can see here, is this really cozy looking slipper. So it's intentionally blank après slipper, and they come in different sizes. So hopefully it's kind of custom fit to your size. I'm a size 7, so that's what I selected here. So because I selected 2 products here, this one will require a $19 upcharge, which I think is actually pretty decent for this slipper. So I'm almost for sure gonna get that. I love house slippers. I always wear house slippers when I'm around the house. We have hardwood floors, so it's really a must for me. And then what I love recently is they've been offering this credit. If you don't see anything you like, you can get a $15 credit as a choice. And there is also a mystery choice option, which is surprisingly still available. So that's always a good one to look at as well. Okay, so I'm going to go on to customization choice 2 next. And I will say there's also solid stuff here. So I picked 2 items here too. So the first ones they're offering here from MODMOMMD, I'm going to pass. I don't need more skincare, but that's a good brand. I'm tempted by this bag. If you watch my channel, you all know I love bags, all kinds of bags. It's just really cute, looks like maybe a crossbody bag. Love the colorway neutrals, but I'm gonna have to pass because I cannot get any more bags. There's some beautiful ceramic bowls, which are really pretty here. A Skin Fix product, definitely love Skin Fix. A really pretty marble tray, which looks really nice for, I think, putting jewelry on or different trinkets. But what I did select here, as you can see, is a Voluspa candle. So I love Voluspa. They're some of my favorite candles. I think they're just really beautiful vessels. As you can see here, the fragrance really has a good throw. So I am almost for sure going to pick this up. I only hesitate because it's pretty pricey. I think this is a relatively small candle size, but I haven't tried the Noble Fir fragrance, so I think I'm going to have to pick it up. I burn candles almost all the time this time of year, so I'm going to try it out. And the other thing I picked up here, which will be for, let's see, an $18 upcharge, is this really fun set of pajamas. And I don't know if FabFitFun has ever done a full pajama set. Comment below if you're a FabFitFun lover. Is this the first time they've done a pajama set? But I'm all here for it. I do love it. It's beautiful. I love this colorway, the print, the stripes, so definitely going to pick this up. I picked this up in the small, medium, jump size. It comes with a set, of course, so a top and a bottom. Really beautiful, definitely my #1 selection here. There's a Let Me Grow capsules, and they've collabed with Let Me Grow before. There's some glasses here. There's a couple of choices of the bronzer, as you can see here. You can choose a $14 credit or the mystery choice. So really good selections here. Definitely my favorites, the pajamas, and I also probably going to pick up the candle. So again, pretty solid first 2 sets of customization. I will also add a quick disclaimer again as well, because this is what's available at the time that I'm filming and doing my selections live. So some of these may not be available when you actually go to check, and sometimes they even add different products, I've noticed, throughout the sale window. So definitely keep checking back because you might find some things that you had your eye on. All right, customization choice 3. There's, looks like a towel set for makeup, probably removal towels, which looks nice. The Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So I definitely recommend this product. I did pick it up, I think, in FabFitFun previously. I really, really do like this moisturizer, but I have a lot of moisturizers. I even have 2 of these already in my stockpile, so I'm going to pass on this, but I actually really highly recommend this. I think it's well worth the extra $14 if you're buying this as an extra selection. There's a beautiful Swell tumbler. I am forcing myself not to buy more tumblers. I have quite the collection of Odawalas and Stanleys these days. I did select, as you can see here, this beanie. It's the Favorite Daughter beanie with patch. This looks pretty basic. I didn't absolutely love anything in the selection, so I think this is my top choice for this selection. It doesn't blow me away, but I'm probably going to go with it. There's a Color Wow treatment spray, which actually I should look more into. That kind of looks nice. There's a couple of shades in this powder blush or setting powder, which looks really nice. And then there's a Luxe Choice that's a, let's see, a night sheet mask set, which I need to read more about too, but that looks promising. There's a fragrance, and then in this selection, if you don't want anything, you can choose $9. So I'm probably going to go with the beanie. Actually, the setting powder is actually catching my eye a little bit, so I will consider that as well. Moving on to customization choice 4. They start off here with a great plate set. I don't cook a lot, so I'm going to pass on this. I'm tempted by the Haus Labs Lip Glaze Plumping Gloss. So here's where I need your help. If you've tried this, and I know some of you probably have, is this worth it? Do you like it? I don't have anything from Haus Labs, I think. So curious about that. I'm always tempted by jewelry, as I often talk about. I love jewelry, but I have a lot of necklaces I wear routinely every day, so I'm gonna pass on these, but this is really pretty. There's a sponge set, which looks nice, some NARS powder blushes, which are definitely a staple. But what I'm gonna go with, I think, is the Honeydew underwear. As you can see here, I got it in the small medium. I love the colors, it matches the pajamas. I'm just gonna go with it. You can always stock up on this. There's a digital offer that looks like here, which looks interesting. There's a set of silicone trivets, and then capsule sliders, which I think is for yoga, but I'm gonna pass on that. They also have a deodorant balm, which looks interesting. You can get a $7 credit if you don't like anything, and Mystery Choice is actually still available. So this one is kind of solid, but no major blockbusters, I'll say, but I was pretty happy. I think you can always use another set of underwear, so I'm gonna go with that. Moving on to the customization choice 5. I went here with the number 1 choice, which is the Unhide Softy Sock 2-pack. Love cozy socks, always stock up every season, so gonna go with that one. There's a Briogeo dry shampoo, which looks nice. I'm not using as much dry shampoo these days, honestly, so I'm gonna pass. There's a on-the-fly travel kit, which looks kind of fun. A candle snuffer, which I don't use, so I'm gonna pass. A supplement option. The Luxe choice is the Patrick Ta Plumping Gloss Duo, so you get 2, and there's 2 sets to choose from. Let me know down below too, kind of like the House Labs, do you like this lip gloss if you tried it? Apparently it's a really nice set, it looks like, so the colors are really fun. And then there's this note cards and wax seal, which look fun. There's another digital offer here for a pup box. By Rosie Jane body and bath oils options. Fitness towel, kind of fun little sponge gel surprises, which is kind of fun. I'm always scared to take risks like this though if they're surprises. Or you can get a $7 credit. So I think those cozy socks are pretty solid. It's hard to go wrong with another pair of cozy socks for the winter. I'm gonna go with that almost for sure. And then wrapping this up with customization choice 6. So here there's a conditioning mist and a detangling spray, which I should look a little more closely at. I've talked about myself and daughters before, so we love using these leave-in conditioner detanglers because my daughters have long and or curly hair, so always coming in handy. There's a lip liner here. There are 2 choices, gold or silver tone, of this beautiful earrings. As you can see, I picked the silver tone. I cannot resist jewelry, so I love this earring, so I'm gonna select this. I tend to love silver tone metals if it's paired with a rhinestone or cubic zirconia, or obviously diamonds, but these aren't real diamonds. I just think it looks nicer if a diamond or CZ are set in silver tone. So I went with that silver tone. Otherwise, I normally wear mostly gold, but I mix my metals, as you can tell today. So going with that one, love those earrings. There's a Perricone product. I really was tempted by this Yummy Shaping Short. I can definitely use this, but I have similar options already. And the other thing I went for here is the Fry belt. I think that's a super good value. I love Fry products. They're really high end. So I got the small, medium size. There's a digital offer. There's an espresso cup set, a puzzle set, and then there is an $8 credit in case you don't like any of these things. But my number 1 choice here, honestly, is the Fry belt, and then I also selected the earrings. So that was another favorite section of mine too. Okay, so I'm clicking through these other options of FabFitFun picks and new arrivals. Wow, seems like this time there's a lot of things to click through. Okay, I saved it. So I am excited about this box. I think that there are some solid choices. I honestly, in first impressions, don't think I'm gonna like it as much as the last box we got. I really love the fall 2025 box. I get the sense this isn't gonna be quite as good for me, but really solid. I think that there are really good standouts there. I really love a lot of the products, I'm gonna say, and there's some really nice variety of selections. I really do love the blanket. I think it's going to be a standout in addition to obviously the pajamas that I keep raving about. I'm really excited to try those out. So those are probably my standouts from this box, but let me know as usual down below, what do you think of my selections? More importantly, what are your selections and what are you most looking forward to? And let me know if you think I should change out any of my selections based on things you've tried before. I always listen to what you guys tell me as you see my videos, and I will make my selection changes according to what you tell me is good. So thank you for your comments and feedback. As always, I just love interacting with this community. Well, I hope you guys enjoy your upcoming FabFitFun box as much as I hope I will too. So as usual, stay tuned for my big FabFitFun Mega Winter 2025 unboxing, where I will share with you all the items that I actually decide to customize in addition to my add-on sale products, and I will show you up close and personal all of the items so you can get a good sense of if they will work for you as well if you want to choose these for future boxes. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.